Hey, Daisy. Oh, you almost got it. Oh, it's okay. Come on. Simon will show you. See? Oh. See? Simon, go show her again. Go show her.
I've been waiting to see your sister for many, many years.
I on the hill stole my wig.
Yes, I'm Eli Wilson. I always felt guilty about being so fond when I was young.
Oh my God, I might cry. That's so funny. Oh, you almost got it.
One more thing. Now I feel better.
Oh, come on. Daisy. Come on. Come on. Oh, sweetie. Simon's got you.